Most people believe performance comes from talent. Operators know it comes from structure. The same person can look average in one system and exceptional in another. Not because they changed, but because the environment did. This video breaks down why output follows structure, not talent. Talent doesn't exist in isolation. It only shows up through constraints, incentives, and workflows. When output varies wildly between environments, it's rarely a people problem, it's a design problem. Talent gives simple explanations. When results are good, we praise individuals. When results are poor, we replace them. This avoids the harder work of redesigning systems. Structure dictates what actions are easy, hard, or impossible. People naturally follow paths of least resistance. Good structure makes the right behavior automatic. Bad structure requires constant correction. Place a capable person inside a fragmented system and output stalls. Place an average person inside a clean system and output compounds. Operators design for consistency, not heroics. Talent has an upper bound. Structure keeps improving as feedback loops tighten. Systems that rely on individual brilliance eventually plateau. Systems built on structure improve predictably. Operators design the system before evaluating people. They fix workflows, remove ambiguity, clarify decision paths. Only then does talent allocation matter. Incentives quietly override stated goals. If incentives reward speed, quality will fall. If incentives reward visibility, substance disappears. Structure always wins. Micromanagement tries to override poor design with supervision. It works briefly, then breaks. Operators redesign the system so supervision becomes unnecessary. When structure is clear, output becomes predictable. Predictability builds trust. Trust reduces friction. The system accelerates without pressure. High turnover, burnout among capable people. Constant urgency. These signal structural failure, not human deficiency. Talent expresses potential. Structure determines results. Operators stop chasing exceptional people and start designing exceptional systems. Because that's where durable output actually comes from.